Hello guys, welcome once again to Traders Delight. This is weekly outlook, and this is where I share with you what I see from the market, not as your financial advisor, but as someone who is observing the market. You can also go ahead check what the market is saying. If you are new, I encourage you to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that every time I make a new video you are notified, and you know what new knowledge, new stuff you can also benefit from. All right, so as we go through the video, I will be sharing some insight with us. I want you to leave a comment and smash the like button and let me know what you feel about the video. If you have any questions, all right, so let's go right into it. I'm sure many of you will be wondering, look at the chart and you saw the entry of the boom 500. All right, it's a good one, and this is an early trade. Many of you may look and see, wow, that, oh, it has gone far down. I promise you it has not really gone that far. So if you're seeing this video, which I'll be posting immediately, I believe you can still go and view the chart and then look for a make your possible decisions as regards what you want to do concerning it. Okay, this video is not going to be long. All right, so we are in market outlook for boom 500 for the week. So what is the market saying? If you look at this, you are likely to say, oh, maybe it's in a downtrend. However, for us to get the real outlook concerning the asset, we need to be sure from a very reliable time frame. So we'll be going time frame to time frame based on what I want to explain, but I want you to please follow so that we can get to understand this together. So why am I in a sell concerning this? What is happening concerning boom 500? So the first time frame I ask you to go to is, let's go to the monthly time frame and see what we have there. So if I expand this like this, I think that's too much so that we can see what we are doing. All right, so look at it now. For a while the market has gone rallied up, as we can see from December 2022. It has rallied up on the uptrend, and we know the uptrend because of the higher high and higher low, higher high and higher low. You can see like 3 sets of that, or 4 sets. But something happened that it's important for us to note, especially many of us who use deriv and trade boom 500. By the way, if you don't know, this broker deriv is one of the best brokers out there. So if you want to open an account and you want to get a special benefit from me, go to the description section and click the link to open an account. Once you have done that using my link, you chat me up on Telegram, and then I have something special waiting for you. All right, it's a very good, reliable broker, and they've been in the game for over 25 years, so they are very reliable. All right, back to our analysis. If you look at it, you can tell that it seems that the uptrend has ended. And why am I saying the uptrend has ended? And you see that this is a monthly time frame. This time frame holds a lot of strength. So what are we saying? So if I go and pick an horizontal horizontal line 2, now you can see that I did not place my horizontal line on the week of that low, of that higher low. I didn't place it there. I placed it on the body of the candle. I didn't use the wick. The reason is that if you look at the progression of the market, when the market moved up and was coming downward to that particular level, that's 5,300, that's price 5,300. market could not go below that and stay below that, so it could not close below that level. That means that's a very strong level, and that was the level that created the higher low for market to rally up to 7,700 plus. All right, now you can see that after rallying up for that long, market came back. You can see after many months now, you see it touched that place, and we see one, two, three candles up. That's 3 months. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 7 months. That's 7 months altogether. 5, and then 8 months. Then on the ninth month, as you can see here, this is month 9. This is ninth month, which is March. See what happened. Market came with such strength, and that is to tell you that right here the buyers were in charge. All of a sudden there was a very strong strength from the sellers. The sellers came very strong. The buyers tried to reclaim their victory here by trying to bounce back. However, the sellers were very strong, and you can see the strength that came in here, very strong strength, and it was so strong that it created a bearish engulfing. This was very strong. It broke the 5,300 level and it closed below the level. That is the market screaming bearish trend. That is the market screaming an end has come to the bullish trend. And the fact that the market can give a bearish engulfing on a monthly time frame, breaking the bullish trend, it means that we should get ready for the bearish trend, which is most likely going to be a very strong one on Boom 500. All right, so you can see, and then that's one of those things that I considered before considering this market. Now let's go to the weekly time frame and see what the market is saying there. So you can see that on the weekly time frame, you can see how week to week in all those 9 months that price has been moving, and the recent months the price has been moving. You can see price has been quite consistent lately. However, now and so you see the over here the bulls try to come back up by creating double bullish engulfing. However, because of the strength of the sellers, they have been very consistent. This could not change anything. The double bullish engulfing on a weekly could not change anything. Now look at what happened over here. All right, I hope you can see this. So at this spot, price has done something, which is to say that the sellers have gained even a stronger momentum, because we have a bearish engulfing on a weekly time frame as well. So you see that it's like a rainfall. It's like every downpour, every movement downwards, because of the change of the bias of the market. So you see that the sellers are quite strong. All right, so this are insight. This is not an analysis. This is just an insight I feel you can get by just simply looking at the markets through the eyes of market structure. And if you want to have deeper understanding of how to analyze the market and how to have a breakdown to even to the point of entry, you can see how we entered. If you look at this here, many of you we also want to have something like that. You want to enter and then be very sure that when I enter now, it's going to give me what I want. Then you can reach out to me through the link in the description section. description, and then chat me on Telegram. All right, so let's see what happens. Hopefully, as we go through the week, we can do like an update or market update to be sure and see where Boom 500 is, and then see if we were right or if we need to learn some other things from it. All right, guys, I hope you learned one or two things. If you have any question, reach out in the comment sections and let me know what you think. So basically, our market outlook will just be based on market structure to let us know if we are seeing the market from the right angle or not. All right, guys, take care. Bye.